Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss chapter number 3, input and output devices. In this chapter, first we discuss the topic of a scanner, types of scanners, joystick, light pens, microphones and digital cameras. First, scanner. Scanner is an input device that reads images or text and it converts the data into digital signal. Graphics scanner reads photos or other images into the computer and digitize them. It produces bitmap graphics files. Scanners usually come with a software such as Adobe Photoshop. Some of the common types of scanner are handheld scanner, flatbed scanner and sheetwidth scanner. Handheld scanner, a scanner that is held in the hand and pass across the image to be scanned is termed as handheld scanner. It is very small in size. Handheld scanners are less expensive. It requires a steady hand to get a clear image. These scanners are easy to use, but some of the time they are limited to scan a white picture. Now, flatbed scanner. This type of scanner has a flat piece of glass and the document is put on the glass upside down to scan it. And it is similar to a photocopier machine. In flatbed scanner, the document is in a stationary and mechanically operated scanning head moves beneath the glass. A flatbed scanner also works better than sheetwidth and handheld scanner. Now, sheetwidth scanner, a scanner that feeds each sheet of paper across non-moving scan heads. This is different from the flatbed scanner, and a sheetwidth scanner cannot be used to scan page in books or magazines. Now, joystick. Joystick is a handheld stick like a joystick in an aeroplane, which is used as a pointing device. Joysticks are used mostly for computers or video games, but they are also used occasionally for CAD and CAM system and other applications. Joystick is just like a vertical handle that is gripped by the hand. Now, light pen. Light pen is a pointing input device that contains a photo detector or a light source, and it is usually used for engineering designing. A light pen is approximately 3.5 inches long and 0.5 inches in diameter. And a light pen is similar to a mouse and except that with a light pen you can move the pointer and select object on the display screen by directly pointing to the object with the pen. Now, microphone. Microphone is a device that captures audio by the converting sound waves into the electronic signal, and these signals can be amplified as an analog signal or may be converted into a digital signal, which can be processed by the computer or other digital audio devices. Now, digital camera. A digital camera is another handheld portable input device that takes pictures as input, and normal cameras captures pictures on a special coated film, while digital camera captures images electronically with the need of a film. Now, digital camera, the big advantages of digital camera is that making photos is both expensive and fast because there is no film processing. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.